must have 3 ICT indicators and all of them are free to use. For the first indicator, what we're gonna do is go to Indicators tab and you will search for IFG. You will see indicator IFG Sniper Entry Engine. This is from Trade with Summit. It's not from the guy that you have to pay. This indicator is free. You can come and use it. You don't have to pay $100 per month. Click that to your chart. And trust me, it is exactly the same because the strategy is so simple. There is no secret sauce, but it is highly accurate and I will show you now. What this indicator does basically is will plot the notable, the best IFGs so you can take a position on it. And here you can see how many risk reward you want to use it and how many win rates you have it. It's quite simple. If you change the time frame, it will update itself. It's very nice. And you can see that on 5 minutes, you got 3 signals back to back. All of them are IFG plus and you can basically come and change every setting you have here. My point is, this indicator is great and it's showing you take profit levels, stop loss, everything you need, okay? You don't have to pay. It's free. Come on, guys. So the second indicator is, we will go to Indicators tab and this is one of my favorite also, and you will search ICT and you will see ICT Killzones plus Pivots. And this is editor's pick indicator from TradingView and there is a reason. Let's add it to our chart. I will hide this IFG indicator for a moment. So basically, in plain words, what this indicator does is plotting the session highs and lows on your chart and you can use them as a liquidity levels. And here on the top right corner in this dashboard, you can see previous day, previous week, previous month, New York PM, New York AM, London and Asia. And all these data, I know they are not signal, but sometimes the liquidity levels are more precious than the signals itself. Why? Because let's say you go in a long position and you don't know where you will target, but this indicator show you, let's say you take a long position because you have the edge. You can use the London high, you can use the New York PM high. If you don't have this indicator, you are blind. You want to be a blind? I don't think so. So let's go to settings for this indicator and let's see what it is offering to us. You can enable these kill zones and you can limit the sessions and you can also enable and disable the pivot points, right? London high, London low, previous day high. And you can make alerts on the broken pivots. It's beautiful and you can change the multipliers and you can enable and disable the history of high and low, midline. You can do a lot of things with this free indicator. All you need to do is come to Indicators tab and search for ICT Killzones plus Pivots. Remember, this is editor's picks. Editors from TradingView are very picky, so if you see something like this, the EP, you know that it's good, okay? And this has 53,000 likes. It's something, guys, come on. So now the final indicator, this is my favorite one. I always keeping the favorite one in the last one. So what I want you to do is type in HTF and you will see HTF Power of Three. It's from the BigBeluga. Click to add to your chart. I don't know, most of the people didn't found this indicator yet, but I do think that it is quite powerful and there is a reason. Let me show you why. The biggest problem with the indicators is that when you got this chop moves and this chop moves, this fake outs, most of the indicators gives a buy signal here. You basically died here, right? So if you go to 1 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, half an hour, you name it, this indicator works. So the yellow means that there is a chop. Be careful, don't trade. And when you see the manipulation or distribution, you know that something is gonna happen. And you can see that when you see the distribution, price start to drop. The red, it means bearish, easy. The manipulation, it's going up, right? Again, the distribution, but the bullish one. The manipulation on the downside, it's the red one. So as long as you get the red or green with manipulation or distribution, but always combine your liquidity levels with this kind of signals. Let's say you execute this signal here, the distribution one. What is the target you're looking for? Let's remove all the drawings. So it's always good idea to combine indicators. Let's zoom in here. You got the distribution signal here. And what do you have? London low. Did it hit? Tick by tick. Because why? Market always loves to go to liquidity levels sooner or later. Maybe not today, but maybe tomorrow. Maybe not in 5 minutes, maybe in 15 minutes. You got my point. Trading is hard because it's a mind game. But to make it easy is possible with this indicator. They are free. You can just add it to your chart and see with your eyes. There is a whole play you can watch and learn more trading with indicators for free. Thank you guys for watching the video.